Interesting topic, atmosphere, composition and its structure. But before we start our topic, I would like to introduce my team members. Myself, Rajan Laitri, she is Sarpaditi, she is Bodana Prachi, she is Deshpande Vaishnavi, she is Shivkar Priyachi, she is Prajapati Janki. Now, before we start our topic, I would like to speak a beautiful thought on the education. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Now, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of gases held by a celestial body gravity. The atmosphere surrounding Earth is a unique life-sustaining mixture of gases. The major constituencies are nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and carbon dioxide 0.04%, 0.04%, gradually increasing due to the human activities as small traces of gases such as neon, helium, methane, hydrogen, and such gases. The rest of atmosphere consists of argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.04%, gradually increasing due to the human activities and small traces of gases such as neon, helium, methane, hydrogen. All the variables depending upon location can range from 0 to 4% and is vital for water cycle and weather phenomena. Structure of atmosphere. Structure of atmosphere. What is structure of atmosphere? 5 main layers based on the temperature and composition. Let us explore this layer from the Earth's surface outwards. Troposphere. It is the most important layer in our atmosphere. Its average height is 30 km. Stratosphere. Its average height is it makes the condition most ideal for flying aeroplanes. Its average height is 50 km. Mesosphere. Metals burn up in this layer. Its average height is 80 km. Thermosphere. Ionosphere is the part of this layer. Its average height is 80 to 400 km. Exosphere. This layer contains light gases such as helium and hydrogen float into the space from here. Now I would like to call Janki for the explanation of troposphere.
Thank you, Naitri. Now I would like to explain briefly about troposphere. Let us explore the fascinating world of troposphere. The lowest layer of atmosphere spreading from... Thank you, Naitri. Now I would like to explain briefly about troposphere. Let us explore the fascinating world of troposphere. The lowest layer of atmosphere stretching from surface up to 20 kilometers depending where one stands on the globe. This layer is much more than a mere boundary above our heads. It is the foundation of life. As we know, the troposphere contains between 75% and 80% of the total atmospheric mass, as well as nearly all of its water vapor. This remarkable composition gives birth to everything we experience as weather clouds, rain, snow, thunderstorms, and hurricanes and blizzards, all originated hurricanes and all blizzards all originated here. The troposphere is also the troposphere. Now I would like to conclude for explanation of stratosphere.
Thank you, Janki. Now I would like to explain about the stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the mesosphere and below mesosphere. It exists 10 km nearby 50 km from the Earth's surface. What does it make so important? The presence of the ozone layer, which play an important role to protect the life on Earth. The ozone layer. The ozone layer absorbs the most of the sun harmful radiation, preventing to reaching the Earth's surface. Another unique feature of the stratosphere is that the temperature is actually relatively unlike in the troposphere. When we go out, this is because the ozone layer absorbs the most of the sun harmful solar radiation, preventing to warming this layer. This stable temperature allow aircraft, especially jet planes, to move smoothly in the weather and turbulence. The stratosphere is not only protect us and remain a delicate balance that sustain life on Earth and protecting the ozone layer and maintaining the atmospheric health should be collective and responsibility. Each small action take to reduce the pollution in the future generation. Now I would like to call Pransi for explanation of the mesosphere.
Thank you, Priyanka. Now I like to explain about the mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer of Earth's atmosphere located between 50 km, 30 miles, and 85 to 100 km in altitude. It lies over stratosphere and below thermosphere. This layer is characterized by decreasing temperatures and increasing altitude, with making it the coldest atmosphere, with temperatures dropping as low as -1 -5 degrees Celsius to -1.3 degrees Celsius. The mesosphere is notable for being of the regions where most meteors burns up upon entering Earth's atmosphere. The mesosphere, visible only under static direct conditions. The mesosphere plays a role in atmospheric chemistry, including the oxidation of matter. In summary, the mesosphere is a crucial atmospheric layer acting as a protective cell of burning of meteors, exceeding the coldest temperatures, atmosphere and moving of unique phenomena like particular cloud. Thank you. Now I'd like to call Vaishnavi for explanation of thermosphere.
Thank you, Nancy. Now I would like to explain thermosphere. What is thermosphere? The thermosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere, lies above mesosphere and below exosphere, starting at 80 km above sea level and extending up to 700 km. It is characterized by its very high temperature that can range from 500 degrees Celsius to more than 2000 degrees Celsius due to the absorption of energetic ultraviolet UV rays and X-ray radiation from the sun. This layer is part of ionosphere where high energy solar radiation ionizes atmospheric gases to create ions and free electrons to allowing radio waves to be refracted and enabling long distance radio communication. This layer is named for its heat. Thermo means heat in Greek because despite of its low density, it becomes. This layer also hosts phenomena such as auroras, northern and southern lights, as well as orbiting satellites and International Space Station. Boundary between thermosphere and the exosphere is known as thermopause. Thank you. Now I would like to call Aditi. She will explain you the last layer which is exosphere.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Now I would like to explain deeply about exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It slowly fades into outer space. The air here is extremely thin and the few particles that exit are split very far apart because of this. There is almost no air to breathe and no weather. The exosphere being around 700 km above the Earth and then exists. Up to 10,000 km satellite orbit in this layer because there is very little friction to slow them down. Even though it is the part of the atmosphere, it feels more like space. In short, the exosphere is where our planet Earth atmosphere is slowly being dropped. The has protect our planet and learn through this exploration possible. Now I would like to call Pranshi for model explanation.
Now I would like to explain my model. This is troposphere.
Loudly.
This is troposphere. In this we live and we get oxygen. This is stratosphere. This is the second most layer. This is mesosphere, where meteors burns up upon entering Earth's atmosphere due to the friction with a thin air pressure. This is thermosphere. This layer contains northern and southern lights, also called auroras. Exosphere, where space begins. Now I would like to call Priyanshi for her model.
Now I would like to explain my model. In the troposphere, there a hot and balloon is there. Above this there is a stratosphere. In the stratosphere there are aeroplanes, helicopters are there. After this there is a mesosphere. In the mesosphere the meteors burn up. Above this there is a thermosphere. In the thermosphere there are orbiting satellites, spaceships are there. After this there is exosphere. In the exosphere rockets etc. are there. Thank you. Now I would like to call Vaishnavi for explanation of the model.
Now I would like to explain layers and composition of Earth's atmosphere with the help of working model. This model shows Earth's atmosphere and its different layers, along with the objects that fly in each layer. It also includes a ground section with houses, trees, mountains, and roads. It shows the Earth's surface. The first layer is known as troposphere, where this is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Weather happens like clouds, rains, winds, etc. Airplanes usually fly in this layer. The next, this in troposphere exists air. Air is a mixture of gases. The remaining, like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and the remaining 1% includes carbon dioxide, argon, and other trace gases. The second layer is known as stratosphere. Stratosphere, it contains ozone layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet UV rays. Some weather balloons and certain airplanes fly till this layer. The third layer is known as mesosphere. Mesosphere, meteors burn up in this layer, so which is why you can see a shooting star object in the model. The fourth layer is known as thermosphere. Thermosphere, very thin air, but extremely hot. Orbiting satellites, space shuttles, and spaceships. You can see here. The last layer is known as exosphere. Satellites, spaceships, and the rockets you can see. Now, troposphere is extending up to 13 kilometer. Stratosphere is extending up to 50 kilometer. Mesosphere is extending up to 80 kilometer. Thermosphere is extending up to 700 kilometer, and exosphere is the last layer. Now, thank you.
10,000 kilometers.
Now I would like to call Adit.
Thank you for giving us a chance to showcase our talent and learn through this wonderful experience. Thank you. So, let me see the show. It is an experiment about atmospheric pressure. We have used a candle and a steel plate, a plastic bottle and colored water to show the presence of water.
Presence of water.
To show you. We have taken a steel plate and poured the water and put the candle in the plate. Then we have put the plastic bottle. Put the plastic bottle above the candle, and here we see that the water level increases because the burning of a substance such as candle consumes oxygen, creating a partial vacuum inside the glass. The higher atmospheric pressure than outside then pushes the water into the glass. Because of this reason, the water level increases and the candle extinguishes.